Okay, this is what we're going to be working on today. I know everything in here isn't finished up, but what I want to do, I want to go ahead and get my wood cut for inside this bed. Now what this called for from the factory was some 6-inch planks, and it called for 8 of them spanned across this little section here. So what I'm going to be doing, rather than using wood, I'm going to be using a composite decking material, which is already colored. So we'll go ahead and sit one of them in the bed and show you exactly the color, and then we're going to start cutting in boards. Now here is our fiberglass composite style deck boards. Now if you look on the bottom, you'll see there you have your grooves. Now this right here, you don't ever have to worry about this rotting. It's kind of like glued together particle basically, and it's very, very strong. It's already got a real nice coat of a brown on top. You don't ever have to worry about that dulling from the sun. So as you can see, sliding that in. That's going to make a real nice bed for the truck. So I'll slide it over here, get a little closer to the camera where you can see. That's going to be real nice for the bed. I've got some strips to put down this as well so that I can bolt it down to where the bed bolts down for the wood on the supports. Okay, I'm about to be making my cuts using my saw here and my table for the wood that's going in the bed floor. Now one thing I like about this DeWalt setup, you can simply measure exactly where you want your wood. You can close down your bit and lock it, and wherever you want your wood to be, you can take your measuring tape, go straight up against the blade, just release this and slide this out as far as you want it to be, and then every time you want to make a cut, you just simply slide your wood, put it in place right there onto that holder, and then make your cut. And you know every single time you make that cut, it's going to be exactly the same. So this DeWalt kit right here, I got this from Lowe's. It's an excellent purchase if you're going to be cutting wood a lot, especially if you're going to be making the same cuts, or if you're going to be doing different angles. This will do everything. But let's go ahead and make our cuts. Okay, so it's all the way up against my frame there. Pull it all the way back. I'm at 78 inches. So I'm going to check the other side, make sure it's at 78. 78 inches. So all my wood has got to be 78. So I'll just simply put this up against that blade and adjust this out till I get to 78 inches. So I'm already on the ends, so I know this is going to be exactly 78 inches. So simply just make your cut. There we go. Go back, just double check it. Right on the mark, 78 inches. Okay, there it is. So let's go ahead, slide these into the bed and see exactly how well they fit. Alright, starting with the one we already went ahead and cut. I'm going to slide it in all the way to the far side here. We'll slide this one in, far side here. We can already tell where we made our cuts that it's going to be flush with the edge of our 1x tubing. So now I'm going to be making square spacers that'll fit in between these with the holes drilled in the center. For whenever I put my stainless trim on top, I simply put the bolts down and that'll hold these right here down to where they need to be, and that'll be the back of the wood bed, which it looks like wood even though it's not. But that's it. So you might want to go ahead, run down there, pick up some of this right here, and that right there may be a real nice wood bed kit for you for your truck. Alright, well thanks for watching this portion of the video on the type of boards we decided to go ahead and put in our 55 Ford truck bed that we had to raise for this Ford Ranger frame. I like the outcome of this look. It's going to look real good once it's completed. But go down to Lowe's. I think I paid $14 and some change per board for these, versus your red cedar is going to run you like $50 per board. So this whole entire kit in this truck, you can put it in here, you know, a little over maybe $100 and some change, versus spending about $400 for just the wood for your bed. But that's going to be it for this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Hit the notification bell for future parts and projects on this truck and other future projects. But thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video, guys.